Subtle texture is often the quiet detail that makes a design feel complete. Today, how to create subtle texture grains. Launch Photoshop and start a 1920 by 1080 canvas filled with a soft neutral gray. Add a new layer, fill it with 50% gray, then apply Add Noise at about 40% Gaussian monochromatic. Change the blend mode to soft light for gentle integration. Duplicate the layer and slightly scale it to vary grain size. Apply Gaussian blur at 0.5 pixels to soften digital sharpness. Reduce opacity of both layers to around 35% so the texture remains